They show discipline, unity, and strength. They remind us someone is protecting us while we live peacefully. He believed education is power, equality is right, not a favor. Law must protect the weak. Republic Day happens when you return extra change to a shopkeeper. You stand in a queue patiently. It is a shield for common people. Study well, learn skills, be honest. Republic Day is not just a holiday. It is not only flag and parade. Republic Day is about power. On 26th January 1950, India got its own constitution. That means law is above everyone. No king, no ruler. People choose their leaders. People are the real boss. Power lies in the hands of the people. Many students get confused. Let me make it easy. Independence Day is when we got our freedom, and Republic Day is when we learned how to use that freedom. Freedom without rules is dangerous. So, Republic Day teaches us freedom with discipline. Freedom comes with responsibility. Every year, we watch the parade. Army, Navy, Air Force. Why? Because they show discipline, unity, and strength. They remind us someone is protecting us while we live peacefully. They stand guard while we sleep in peace. The Constitution is not only for courts, it is a shield for common people. It gives us right to equality, right to education, right to speak, no matter rich or poor, man or woman, city or village. Everyone is equal before law. Law sees everyone with the same eyes. Now listen carefully. The Constitution did not write itself. There was a man who worked day and night. His name was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He is called the architect of the Indian Constitution. He believed education is power, equality is right, not a favor. Law must protect the weak. He did not write laws for few people. He wrote laws for everyone. He gave voice to the voiceless. Republic Day does not ask for big speeches, it asks for small actions. Be honest, follow rules, respect others, do your duty. You don't need to be famous. Being a good citizen is enough. Small drops make a big ocean. If you are a student, listen. Your duty is simple. Study well, learn skills, be honest. Your hard work today builds the nation tomorrow. The future is in your hands. Many people think one day celebration is enough. Posting a status is patriotism. No, real patriotism is doing right daily, following rules even no one is watching you. Actions speak louder than words. Let me ask you one honest question. Everyone talks about rights, my freedom, my choice. But very few people talk about duties. Rights make us comfortable. Duties make us nation strong. For example, we want clean roads, but we throw garbage. We want honest leaders, but we cheat in small things. We want justice, but we break rules daily. This is the truth. Republic Day reminds us rights come after duties. First duty, then rights. You can't have the cake and eat it too. Now listen very carefully. The Constitution is powerful, but it is not magic. It works only when people respect it. A law book cannot walk, a rule cannot speak. People must follow it. If citizens are careless, even the best constitution fails. If citizens are responsible, even small rules create big change. So, Republic Day asks us follow traffic rules, respect women, speak truth, stand against wrong. Not one day, every day. Rome was not built in a day. Republic Day is not only Red Fort, parade, TV show. Republic Day happens when you return extra change to a shopkeeper. You stand in a queue patiently. You help someone without camera. You say no to corruption. These moments don't get medals, but they build the nation. You may feel small, but remember, every big change starts small. Little things make a big difference. Just imagine if every Indian decided, I will not litter, I will not lie, I will not cheat, I will respect the law. India would change faster than any speech. No extra law needed, no extra police needed. Only one thing needed, and that is self discipline. Change begins at home. So, let me repeat Republic Day means power of people, respect for constitution, equality for all, duty before rights. Let us remember the constitution and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar because a strong nation starts with responsible citizens. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.